I had to shorten the lead, y'all, because she's at the fence like Cooper just was. And, yeah. Too bad. You're scaring the crap out of our chickens. I don't need them dying of a heart attack.
First of all, what I do is I grab these.
That's the water bowl, and that's the food bowl.
Right now, you can see that they're dirty because, baby chicks are
like
dirty.
Ginger's chick, they're bedding everywhere, just like my guinea pig, Pepper. Oh, look. 3 of them just put themselves away.
Why can't you do that every other day?
Why can't you do that all the time? Bring yourself out, too.
Sorry. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, shusher. Oh.
Break that in a minute.
Sorry, y'all. I have a bad back, and it all started yesterday. I woke up with a kink in my back, and it's getting so bad it's affecting my pelvis, and my back has a tendency to collapse and make me fall on my face a few times. And I'm going to try so hard not to collapse today, or let my back do that. I think they want the food out.
Yeah, well, there's water and there's pooping.
Sucker, you can't get through now, can ya? I tightened it. You can't chase my chicken. Oh, I'm sorry, our chicken.
Just wanted to get the wood chips and wet wood chips and all the poop out so they don't eat it. You gotta make sure.
Oh, shut your you. Quiet. Bailey, shut.
Water goes in vain.
Definitely, because, well,
They're babies and
I
babies
could
are,
be. Hey, Munchkin.
Got all of it?
Hey, Joe babies. Sorry, she's wanting to get some babies. Because I shortened the lead, and you're not going to. Yes, that's what I want. I want you to stay. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm walking across the driveway. I'm sorry, the walkway. That is not complicated. That is something I just made up myself. Okay, our food is actually homemade because it's near corn. Yes.
Wild bird feed
Straight
and
up corn.
corn, wild bird feed and puppy chow.
And other stuff. Baby bird feed as well, which you said.
Yeah, I
Also, split peas.
yeah, split peas too. I do this around this.
And also orange beans too. Yes.
I circle this divider for food.
Dude, stop pushing against my chin. I'm trying to get on film.
Sorry. I normally just turn it. I do this all the time because
Bailey, stop it.
those babies eat
Not taking no matter what. Now stop it.
and with this divider for their food actually helps them not eat that much, but when they get bigger they're going to eat a lot, but their food is also going to be hanging.
Just like that. For example, just like that off the floor. That way they do not eat out the top. Oh, sorry, little munchkin. Didn't know you were right behind me. I almost kicked them. Yeah. Yeah. But need the period dot.
I'd rather have those.
Yeah, of course. Get over that.
But we can still
Yeah.
because M.F.R still needs those dots. Although I really do want to capitalize M.F.R on that chip for some reason. Okay. This is the baby's food.
Don't fill it up all the way to the top. You know they're eating out the top, so cut the crap with that.
Okay. No, first.
Timber.
That was my fault. I accidentally dumped it.
No, don't worry. The leftovers will fill the other end.